Hey guys, it's Paul. Hope you're all staying safe. Hope you're all doing okay. Tough times, I know. I'm going to do a quick thing that it's been wrangling with me the last few days. Of something I put on Facebook, something I put twice on Facebook, and I'm going to do something about it. So obviously, I do a lot of tech training. I do a lot of YouTube videos. I've got two YouTube channels, and it's free tech training, but effectively, I get paid on by YouTube for doing videos, and I get paid some kickback for anybody I recommend if people sign up for it. I get an affiliate payment. So, as far as current climate, a lot of people are at home watching my videos. A lot of people are signing up for free training and signing up for online platforms such as Zoom or something like that. And my company isn't struggling because of coronavirus. There's no real ill effect for me because I'm an online business trainer, and if anything, it's doing better. Even though people are saying, I know the government came out with self-employed people can claim against their profit over the last 3 years. My company didn't make any profit over the last 3 years. For the last four of the last 5 years, it didn't make any profit. To be honest, it was losing money. But luckily, last year I had a really good year on YouTube, and profits went up. So recently, I posted this on Facebook, and it started to wrangle with my head. I wonder if any of the following will be dipping into their ever-deepening pockets to help the NHS and their UK customers. Facebook, Amazon, Google, which is YouTube, Netflix, PlayStation, Xbox, Epic Games, Rockstar Games, Activision, EA Sports, Apple, Microsoft or Samsung, and any other company that's doing well. Supermarkets I've put. I know they're doing some sort of stuff now for NHS workers. So many companies making out like bandits, not to mention the pharmaceutical companies with lines out the door, and they're going to come out with some drugs that they're all going to make money off as well. Oh, did I miss out? Yeah, not all UK companies. Yeah, none of these are all based in UK, but they're making a load of money in UK. And this goes for every country they're making money in the world. They can dip into their deep pockets and help out these companies, right? So I posted that on March 27th, wrangled with me because remember, I'm making money. I don't say I've got deepening pockets, but it wrangled with me that I put it, and I was thinking I was being a bit of a hypocrite. So again, March 30th, 2 days ago, when's Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, Zoom, and other giant tech companies going to make a huge donation to the NHS, help families that are struggling, making out like bandits with advertising revenue and screen time they profit from now. So everybody's on Facebook, everybody's Zoom have been called out today. I make money off of YouTube videos on Zoom. So, two posts, and after I'd put them, I thought, you're being a hypocrite because you're making money. You're not really affected by what's going on. Paid some money to Apple yesterday. I got my dad an iPad so he can sit and watch TV on the iPad, but I can also do tech training on there. Other companies like this, Huel making out. I'm sure Huel are making some fair old deal where they're basically saying, "Oh, our delivery's slow," but the possibility why your delivery's slow is because you're so busy. So what I'm going to do is I am going to donate my February YouTube earnings to, I'm going to go 50-50, Doncaster Bassett Law Hospital and Doncaster Samaritans. I'm going to go 50-50, I'm going to show you it, I'm going to donate it, and I'm calling these other companies out to say, where's your big donation? Where's this big profit that you're going to be getting? Where's your donation? So Google AdSense is where people get paid for YouTube, so Google own YouTube. And here is my last payment. Here's my February payment for how much I got paid from YouTube last month. And I'm going to donate £1,105 to Doncaster Bassett Law and £1,105 to Doncaster Samaritans. So come to the Doncaster charity page where you can donate. And it's going to take me to their Just Giving page. I think it's going to... Oh, no, it's down here, right? Down now, you donate to our charity online by heading to... So you can obviously email it in as well. So it's not hard for you to donate towards your local hospitals or anything like that. I'm not saying Not saying people that aren't making money while this is happening should be doing this. You should be looking after yourselves first. If you're struggling with money, this is not to make you feel bad or anything like that. This is calling out these big tech companies that are making a fortune, and people like me who are doing all right as well. We can donate to local people that are doing great things around us, right? So I'm going to donate. Obviously, when it gets to the card thing, I'm going to pause it and everything so that you can't see my information. In fact, I don't know where my phone is. Oh, it's there. So I'm going to donate. What did I say? 1,105. Did I say that? What was it? 206. So 1,100. Yeah, £1,105 each. High donation amount. Other. And is it a humble brag to leave it on there? 1,105. Oh, enter contribution about. I'm not paying, just giving to fund a charity. Hide the donation amount. Yes, we can hide it. Continue. So 1,105 is going to Doncaster Bassett Law. I confirm I am a UK. No. Because this is coming from Happy Me, yes, it's going to be tax deductible. I'm not hiding, everything's transparent at Happy Me. So I can't add gift aid because it's not coming from me as a person. It's coming, because Google paid Happy Me, the money is going out of Happy Me's website. So it's being paid as a business. Yes, please opt me in. I'm happy for them to contact me if they want. I'm not... I'm going to pay on PayPal? Oh, that's okay. Let's pay on PayPal. All right, pal. If anything personal comes up, I'll remove it. We're going to go Paul, and that's my business one. Log in. Oh, man. I couldn't pay on my card. There we go. 1,105. 1,101. There must be some money in there. So your donation summary, paid on PayPal. PayPal, have I done that? Sorry, we couldn't process your payment right now. You can still make donations using another payment method. Here we go. Click in here. Bank card, bank transfer, credit or debit card. Here we go. So I'm going to fill this out and come back to you. Right, clearly it's asking me for my card number, not my name at the top. That's why it doesn't work. So let's try the card number. Cardholder's name is me. Expiration 1/25. I don't know why I said that out loud. At least I didn't read my password out loud. I usually do that. Continue. Oh, come on. Expiration date. Please enter a valid. Oh, that's the number. The old back number, right? Opt me in. Money is going. Opt me in. Confirm donation. Oh, I've got to do the old... What is your 8th, 4th, 5th and 18th number? Oh, no, they didn't ask for it. Completed. Your donation will be completed shortly. Thanks for your donation. So, I'll just take a quick screen grab of that for the... I don't know. I'm not going to share it anywhere. So, Doncaster Bassett Law are done. Anonymous... Don't know if it's on there, is it? Or it didn't let me leave a message, did it? Or did it ask me for a message? Who cares? So, on to Samaritans. Right, on to the Samaritans page. So, Doncaster Samaritans. And there is a button to donations accepted here. Oh, gifts, toys. No, there's a different button. Donate to your local branch. So, this is going to Doncaster Samaritans. 1,105. Now, I would like to add £49.73 on top of my donation to cover the transaction fees. I'm gonna pay it, but Virgin Atlantic asking money back from government. This is a complete charity. why are you taking 50 quid of my money as a donation? Leave a message. Thanks from all. Happy me. Keep up the great work. Right. Leave your name, nickname, Paul. Pay by card. Your email address. We can connect to continue with Facebook. And do not do that. Paul@paulnicholson.com. I'll maybe speed this bit up. I know rating. Select password, not read out loud, Paul. I don't know. Your password didn't match. Oh my god. Oh, come on. See I'm typing it now. Oh, fucking hell. What's the thing? Oh, we're getting bleeding stuff on that as well. Oh, why is nobody typing in? Oh, that's why. Alright, see. Alright, so what I usually start my password for wasn't allowed. Your donation, yeah, you robbing bastards, you've took 50 quid of it as well. Are you donating your own money? No. £49.73 transaction fee, you absolute robbing bastards. Remember my card details? Not really. Gift aid, I can't claim. Keep in touch, verbing money. Doncaster Samaritans can if they want to. I have. Donate. World Pay going to rob them out of some money as well with a transaction fee. Unbelievable that charities are getting charged transaction fees to raise money. But thanks for your donation. Again, I'll screenshot it. I don't need to. But yeah, so donated. Probably got my emails coming through. Here's your donation here. Virgin Money, here's your donation. So keep up your great work, Doncaster Samaritans, everybody at the NHS in Doncaster, anybody at the NHS in Britain, and all healthcare workers, all frontline staff everywhere. Yeah, I just kind of thought this is a shout out to the major companies that are carrying on, not as normal, but, you know, plenty of people. Amazon, I'm looking at Amazon there. I'm looking at people sat on Facebook all day getting delivered ads. So Facebook are making out like bandits. Google and YouTube aren't losing no money either. A lot of people watching YouTube, and frankly so in my business's case. Netflix, everybody sign up for Netflix, PlayStation. I mean, I've spent 200 quid on PlayStation this week. 3 games and a new controller. Because PlayStation, your controllers are absolutely shite, and they fall to bits. I have got one that goes up on its own, I've got one that goes down on its own, and another one that got thrown away because it wouldn't charge. So PlayStation are making out like bandits, as are probably Microsoft. Microsoft in multiple ways. So I'm not saying they're horrible companies. I'm just saying, where's your donation? Why aren't we seeing? You know, Formula One teams are developing defibrillators and not defibrillators. That's for heart stuff, isn't it? Ventilators, stuff like that. These big companies are putting in. Where's the TV? Where are we seeing on TV that Facebook's made a massive donation, and many others. So all the best to you. You know, luckily it's not affected me massively at this moment, and touch wood, everybody around me stays safe and everybody else stays safe. Obviously a lot of people are going to get ill, but it's probably a humble brag that my company's doing all right. But yeah, I didn't want to be a hypocrite and slag all these other companies off that are absolutely making out like bandits. See you soon. This video may not stay up for long, or I might be unlisted. It will not be monetized, the video, so if you see, you go, oh, look, it's got 10,000 views. I'm not sure it'll get 10,000 views, but If it has, then it's not been monetized. We will not be making any money out of this video or anything like that. But stay safe. If you need my help, you can ask me any questions. I'll try and help. You can't pay me. Everything's free. My training's free. Obviously, everything on YouTube's free. But I don't work for anybody, so it's not some punt at trying to find somebody to give me a job. See you soon.